Hey guys, Miss K here. Sorry about that for not being here today. Things came up and plans changed. But that doesn't matter. We're going to go ahead and get started with our subtracting integers reteach for today. So what that means is that you guys are going to be taking notes on this paper while watching the videos, okay? We're going to go through a couple answers together, and then you're going to use the Go formative to answer the questions. The questions will turn green if you're right and red if you're wrong, okay? So we are looking at the subtracting integers reteach. Right here, it says subtracting an integer is the same as adding its opposite. Okay, so that is what we've been talking about. It's talking about adding its opposite, which is something we've been doing, okay? Something we've been working with for a while now, so we should be good there, okay? Now, this one is going to say keep, change, flip. We're going to change that flip to change since we've been doing our keep, change, change. And that is how we've been doing this. Keep, change, change, okay? So when it's saying that 7 minus 2 equals 5, it's basically saying that it's the same as 7 plus a negative 2, okay? Subtracting is really just adding the opposite, okay? So when we're looking down here, where it says keep, change, flip, it's really going to be keep, change, change. So you can cross out the flip, make it change. Same over here. This flip can be change. And remember, keep, change, change is when you keep your first integer the same, you change your subtraction to that positive, and then you change the second integer sign. So that means a positive becomes a negative, and a negative becomes a positive. Okay? So here we go. We're going to look at the next page right here. Okay? So we are going to be looking at examples number 1 and 2 using that keep, change, change, so that way you know what you should be doing. Now, for this first part of the practice, we are just focusing on the fact that we are doing the keep, change, change. We are not solving. Keep, change, change. Do not solve. So for example, number 1, we have 6 minus 12. If I want to keep my first number is going to stay 6. I then am going to change my subtraction sign into that addition sign. Now, that 12 is considered positive. So I want to turn my positive 12 into its opposite, which is then negative 12. Okay? Then, for number 2, we're going to follow that same steps of keep, change, change. We're going to keep our negative 4. I'm going to change my subtraction into addition. And then I want to change my negative 7 into its positive 7. So now I have negative 4 plus 7. So again, for this whole area, you're doing keep, change, change. And you're not solving. You are just doing the keep, change, change. Okay? So now what you're going to do is you are going to do 3 through 8 on your pieces of paper. You are then going to type in the answers of 1 through 8 in the Go formative. Again, they will turn green if you are correct and red if you are wrong. Make sure you're just doing your keep, change, change. Once you're done with that, go on to the next video where you're going to be practicing solving those equations. I'll see you in a little bit.